Yes, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Saturday, the 18th of November 2023. This is my weekly analysis video where I go over all the Forex pairs. I'm trading on the daily time frame using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. Now, it's 12:30 local time. I'm just left Kampot. I'm up in the capital, Phnom Penh in Cambodia. And I've got to apologise for the audio quality of this video. I'm in a hotel, but they had major Wi-Fi problems, so I had to move up the street to a bar. So I'm in a bar next to a pool table, and if you hear any swearing, I apologise for that. The quality of the sound is going to be terrible. You'll hear the pool balls getting hit, and you'll probably hear a lot of street noise because it's an open bar on the street. So sorry about that, guys and girls, but it is what it is. So at least I'll get the video done. We'll get through it pretty quick. Alright, normally we have a look at the news for the week ahead, so let's get into that. It looks like a lot of news. There's a Forex Factory free economic calendar. Looks like a lot happening, but there's not much at all really. It's just talking heads. There's nothing on Monday, Tuesday, talking head. When I say talking head, it's just someone in authority that's making a speech or something like that. Aussie monetary policy meetings, CAD, CPI numbers out of CAD. That could be a bit of a market move for the CAD. FOMC meeting minutes from the US. Wednesday, talking head. Unemployment claims, talking head. Holiday in Japan on Thursday, and then all the PM flash manufacturing PMI numbers out of France, Germany, normally the UK, is there? No, the US on Friday. So it's not much of a week. Looks like a lot, but there's not much there at all. I'm only interested in high impact events, as you know. So look, I'm going to race through this video pretty quick because of the noise. It's getting worse. All right, let's get into it. I'll bring up this Word document. Now, most of you that watch these videos know my method, read my books, but just have a quick read of this. I appreciate that not everyone, English is not everyone's first language, so this might give you a bit of an idea, better idea. And like I always say, look, I'm happy to answer any questions. I post regularly in the JAGfx Facebook group, Telegram channels, and Map from Family Man's Discord channel. So I'm easy to get a hold of. If you've got questions, just go to any of those groups. There should be links to those in the description of the video. So yeah, have a read of that. And look, I'm going to rush through this video, so sorry about that. I'm just trying to get the message across and get the video done. It's consistency. So if I'm going too quick or the audio's terrible, again, I apologise. Alright, let's get on to the charts themselves. Where are we? Now, I use TradingView for all my analysis. There we go, sorry. Alright, use TradingView for all my analysis. This is my watch list on the right. It's not all 28 pairs, it's just a sample list. I'm not a trade signal provider, as I say. I'm just trying to show you guys and girls trade setup examples and some trade management ideas. That's all, nothing else. Alphabetical order, highlighted different colours. Highlighting orange means I want to speak about it today in the video. Highlighting light blue means trade on, some actions being taken. Highlighting dark blue means trade on, no action taken. No highlight, no trade. So we'll start with the AusCAD. Now, normally if there's you'll see the information on the right here is the most recent trade. So the AusCAD's highlighted in orange because I was stopped out on Friday, just. Alright, so normally I write the pair, the date, the signal was taken. Now, keep in mind I post all these at the time, so on the open of this candle here, I posted this, took a screenshot and called the trade. So the sell went in my favour for one day, and that was it. It's just gone against me the whole time, and eventually stopped out on Friday for a full loss. So there's, I just leave it on the charts to show you guys for the video. So that's why I see the charts. So stopped out for a loss. The actual stop loss is at 89469. If you look up here on the high, high is 89468. But I was stopped out on my main account that this trade was taken on. So technically, it's not, but it is. So we're stopped out there for a full loss of the 80 CAD. So it's just left the chart, no trades on this pair. tidy this up after the video. But one thing I'm going to point out is I've started to draw more divergence lines here. So we've got higher highs on price and lower highs at this stage on the MACD Platinum. So there's potential divergence. It's the MACD Platinum still above the zero level. So as if you can remember, I'm looking to sell when it's above the zero level. So it's still above the zero level. There's the zero level there, still above it. Keep on adjusting these lines every day, and I'll be looking for another potential sell on this pair. Right, we broke this high here, came down, sort of struggled around it, and bang, up to that new high. So you could say market structure is changing. There was a reversal QMP filter dot here. I didn't close it. I thought this high would hold, but one day later proved me wrong. So even if I closed it there on the open of this candle, I would have just saved a few pips. No big deal. So there's a chance I took and it didn't work. So that's the Oz CAD. Oz Swiss in 2 trades here, and this is one where I've got a couple of different trades on. I'm still in a buy from the 9th of October. Already closed half, so further November in here, that candle closed half, I've dragged my stop up. So I can't lose on that, come very close to boy, it's a bit quiet. Yeah, we're in a bar, what do you expect? Even I'm having a beer, which is unusual for me. First time I've ever had a beer doing a video. It is 12:30, 12:40. So we're going to sell from the 9th of November. Big support, resistance level. Let's see, have a look here. So this level here, you can see it's a fairly substantial level. Price bounced off it, took the sell. Yep. So we're in a sell still and a buy. The sell MACD Platinum is above the zero level still, but it's just going nowhere fast. It's the Oz Swiss. Aussie New Zealand, it's highlighted in orange. A couple of reasons, 2 reasons. One, on Monday we've got a new buy signal. So new buy on this pair on Monday morning. Look at the moving averages. They're flat and tight. You've got this big resistance level up here. We're heading towards it again. Green QMP filter dot and MACD Platinum just below the zero level. So it's a slightly higher risk trade. Its market structure is a bit flat, as you can see. Look at the moving average, it's flat. The MA's type flat, and the MACD just below the zero level. But right, so that's a new buy. Now the sell, which was taken on the 6th of November, I closed on the 14th of November, which is 14th November, closed on the open of this candle for a very, very tiny profit. I'd consider a break-even scratch trade. I just didn't like the look of it, so I called it at the time, closed it. So that sell's finished. So we're out of the sell. As I said, I just leave it on the charts to show you guys in the video what's happened. Now, Monday I've got a new buy, so I'll only be in that one buy on Monday morning. That's the Oz New Zealand. So I like that. So tidy up that chart after the video. CAD Swiss, still in the sell from the 29th of September. Back here, there's my trade management going nicely. There's a stop, can't lose. It looks like we've broken this previous low here. Again, starting to draw the green trend lines in, looking for potential regular bullish divergence here. MACD back below the zero level. The grey vertical line is just a warning signal. To me, just a red dot on the MACD Platinum. Wasn't I could probably get rid of that. It's no, not really doing anything. Well, this sort of level, remember, support resistance is not an exact price, it's a zone sort of thing. So it could be from here to sort of there sort of thing. So it's a zone. If this holds, or I might just keep on going down, which is good. I'll just look for potential opportunity to trail this, stop down and lock in more profit on that sell. So that's the CAD Swiss looking good. Euro Aussie. Yeah, Euro Aussie. It's highlighted in orange. There's a reason for that. Yeah, I took a buy on the 9th of November. It was just going nowhere. It went up, hit this previous high here, dropped down a bit. On the 14th of November, I closed. So let's have a look at the 14th November, and this is all called in the so I had this little bearish candle here on the Monday the 13th, and it didn't push up. I closed on the open of this candle on the 14th. So on the open of that one, very small profit, closed. Look, and the MACD flat was already through the zero level. It's all very tight, and it's gone up again, but it's still around the area where I closed. So didn't lose anything, but I just got out of it. So not many trades on the Euro CAD, so I'll tidy that chart up after the video. So Euro Aussie, sorry. Euro pound in a buy trade. Got the buy on the 9th of November. Probably get rid of that. Sorry guys, I've got to still use my mouse with my left hand. There we go. Jeez. Right, just tidying that up. In a buy, it went up initially, then dropped down, come down, and it's gone up again. Now the MACD Platinum's through the zero level, so I might look at closing half of this. It's a tough bet to trade on the daily time frame, and I'll try and bring the stop up here, put myself in an overall no lose position. But I just want to give it one more day. There is big potential regular bearish divergence forming, so that's something I've got to be conscious of, aware of. So it's a Euro pound, still in a buy. Action, probably give it one more day and I'll take some action. Euro USD, no trade on, it's heading up. Again, divergence lines are being drawn. It's been tough to trade on the daily time frame. A bit messy. Pound Swiss in a sell trade, took it on Thursday. There's my notes for it. Look, it's going to be a sticking point, this number here, this 1.10. You can see it in the green there. That number is a big round number, and 2 days we've gone nowhere basically since I took, 1 day since I took the trade, gone nowhere. Pound Swiss stops up here, so all good. Pound yen. Now, it should have been highlighted in orange because I'm actually taking a new trade on Monday. So there's 2 new trades on Monday. This is the other one. So the first one was an Aussie New Zealand buy. Pound yen, I'm going to take a sell on Monday open. Now, this is a high risk trade. MACD Platinum above the zero level. Red QMP filter dot. We've got this sort of, I'll make it a bit smaller so you can see it. Oh, geez. So, right, we've got this resistance on price or a high. Look, it broke through, but it's not convincing. It broke through, but it's only a couple of days it's back down. So I'm sort of considering that a bit of a resistance level on price. Now, this is a high risk trade. Look, the trend is up. Look at the moving average, trend's up. And it's a yen pair. But the MACD is above the zero level. So it's worth a shot, but just watch your risk percentage on this trade. Stop's really tight. It's up here, 189.228. It's a high risk trade, trust me, but it's worth it. Yen pairs have been tough to trade lately, especially I've seen them be trying to sell all the time when the market's going up. NZ CAD, highlighted in orange. It's going to be highlighted purple in a minute. Right, what happened? Took a buy, we're in a buy still, so that's buy 30th of October, so we're still in that. Stops there, so we can't lose on the buy, all good. Took a sell on the 10th of November, and it's went initially a couple of days and bang, just shot up. It must have been on news or something, and stopped me out on the 15th of November for a full loss. Now, it is a full loss on the sell, but it's not the end of the world because the buy profit, hopefully I can push this stop up higher and trail it up, that'd be great, and I'll offset or recover most of that loss on the buy side. So that's New Zealand CAD. Sell has been stopped out for a full loss, still in the buy. Again, I'll tidy up the chart when I'm done. USD CAD. In a sell, seems to be in this trade forever, 3rd of November. Dropped down nicely. I probably should have taken some action here. I didn't. It's bounced up. Bounced down again. I probably should have taken some more action there. I haven't. MACD flatness through the zero level. Look, it's I could really consider moving this stop down above these highs here. There's a big level there. I'll just go to a weekly chart. So I've just switched to a weekly chart. You can see this level here is a fairly significant level of resistance on price. So that's what I'm sort of relying on as my stop loss with the stop. So if it drops down again, I'm going to have to bring the stop down and tighten things up on this. USD CAD it can be a tough pair to trade on the daily time frame at times. USD Japanese yen, I'm in a buy trade only from the 20th of July. I'm ignoring all these sells. I'm just getting hammered on the sells. So I'm just giving them a miss at the moment. Big significant number, 150 level. Price seems to be struggling around it. So last signal is probably a sell signal, which on Monday is a potential sell, but I'm taking a sell on the pound yen. I'm not going to risk it on this one. The MACD is right on the zero level. Right at the price is right at the moving averages. And we're right on a big level. It's just not. And I've got this buy on. So this buy that's been in profit for a long time is helping offset any of these losses, 2 or 3 losses I've taken on the way up. And I'm just wanting the yen to sort of consolidate a bit. Right, gold, highlight in orange, XAU, USD is gold. What happened? So we had a new sell signal, or not new, a sell signal from the 2nd of November. Here, it's red one. Came down, 10th of November closed half, so I'm thinking maybe in here, somewhere 9, 10. In here, closed half, MACD through the zero level, and price down a bit. Eventually dragged my stop down on the 14th, then on the 15th I was stopped out for an overall small profit. So popped through the stop on this candle here, that one, that little candle there. Popped through there, took my sell trade out for a small profit. On Friday, took a new buy and it's gone nowhere quick. This was a higher risk, slightly higher risk trade as market structure is flat. Look at the moving average, all tight. And price is just under that level there, which is the 2,000 level, which is a huge level on gold. So that's the 2,000 level there, and that's the 1,800 level. You'll see gold bounces around those levels. 2,000 is a big round number. It's huge in gold. So stopped out on the sell for an overall small profit, and we're still in the buy. So it's another chart I'll tidy up. As I said, I'll just leave these on the chart to show you guys for the weekend video. I hope you're enjoying this bar ambience, and I hope this is going to sound, at least you can hear me. I hope you can. If not, you'll see shit anyway, so that's good. All right, this is just these next 3 just bought for out of curiosity. US dollar heading down. Made this high up here and hasn't broken it. Now we've taken out the previous low, so we're heading down. MACD platinum below the zero level, so not looking good on the US dollar. I just mark up the chart like I do all charts. US 500, which is the US stock market. Broke this previous high and is heading up, and we'll get to this other high that's been on there forever. Let's have a quick look at a weekly chart. Oh, that's the high that's been on there forever. That's the high here. We broke this high, we're back in the bullish market. I don't know. It's hard to read the stock market. I never know how it still keeps on printing money, but it does. And Bitcoin, BTC, USD, Bitcoin has broken the 35,000 level. Had a push up towards 40, didn't make it, and it's gone a bit consolidated a bit there. Again, we've got potential big divergence forming. Now look at price grinding up, MACD platinum grinding down. So here we go. All right. Look, it's the video done, and I apologise again. I'm sorry, but I just got to make sure I get these videos out. This is the best sort of scenario at the moment. Yeah, I'm probably moving back to the capital, so I'm here to look for an apartment. So once I get that sorted, all good, and we'll get back to some routine. But thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, feel free to hit me up at any of the JAGfx social media sites. Everyone's more than welcome to join them. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Dare I ask, to listen to the audio this one. But anyway, enjoy the weekend, stay safe wherever you are. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.